Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Part 3 of this AI generated program that I did in part 1 and part 2. So I did this bridge in part 1. But I thought I'd show you how you could help yourself in Corel change this drawing still. I'm going to take away the bridge because it's taking up a lot of memory. And I'm going to left click, right click, and just have an outline. And really, if you took that and made it all hairlines, it would engrave pretty well. Now it's all one group. So I'm going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And let's say, well, it added this vent louver or window. And we don't want that, let's say, or we want to make it better. I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and I can delete all that. Now it's taking a little bit of time, and we can delete the window entirely by taking our shape tool and clicking all the nodes that are above those. Whoop, I went too far. All those nodes above this, and I'm going to right click and turn it into a line. Well, I should have just deleted them. I'm sorry. There we go. And then, as always, just take your shape tool, and I'm going to actually delete that node right there now. It's taking a little bit longer. I don't know if it's because it's such a big drawing or my old laptop's getting tired at night. Then you could select both. Well, you could just select that one. Well, we want to get rid of it. So let's select that one, hold down the shift key and select that one. So have both of them selected and then right click and turn them into a line. And that'll give you a shorter, I do not understand why, I need to reboot my computer. I've been playing with this and other stuff all day long. And then of course you could delete that node, get rid of that hiccup. And there's, almost anything you could do with normal, something you drew, you could do it with this photo that you auto-generated. And then we could take the whole thing and put the fill back in and actually take away the outline. I always kind of do that because it kind of doubles up on the outline. That's going to engrave pretty fantastic. But anyway, I'll put a link to this program. It's so far it's the neatest one I've ever seen. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.